Making the transition from college to career isn't easy. I'm Rob Humphrey, and I visit campuses and share what tips I've learned to help students get hired. I'm here at NC State in Raleigh with Brian Newton, career expert and career services leader at the Poole College of Management. Great to see you.
Yeah, thanks, Rob. It's great to have you guys here.
What's the best way for students to sort of present themselves in a differentiated manner, to market their brand?
Well, of course, a lot of preparation. And so you're doing your research on the company. I talk about the importance of having some real good stories and painting the picture, okay? As an employer is trying to learn more about you and what makes you tick, so to speak. How are you going to help me? It's incumbent upon you to help the interviewer understand who you are and for you to paint the picture of what you can do and your successes.
What are your power tips for students in an internship?
One of the things that we do here at Poole College is really stress the importance of relevant internships, okay? You need to be doing some really good, what I call meat and potatoes kinds of projects, and even showing the leaders within those corporations what you finished up.
What is the one thing I should absolutely do as a student before I depart the internship?
I think have a conversation with that company. Is there an opportunity for you after graduation? Could this turn into a full-time opportunity for you? If you enjoyed your work experience there.
That's awesome advice, like ask for the job, basically, like close the deal, right?
Try to close the deal.
What percentage of students do you think actually do that?
I don't think very many.
What I heard Brian say is, 1, make sure you're prepared. It's unacceptable not to do the homework and the research. Paint the picture for employers. Make it clear what you bring to the table. And lastly, when you're at the end of an internship, ask for the job. Until next time, leave your comments and questions below.